Yes, I am Frank Gaming.
What's up, gamers? Frank Gaming fan number one coming at you with a video. And this one's gonna be an informational talk. Now, I'm here at the Poltergeist Beacon, and I was doing a little research on Google, and all of those wires you see in the air and lights blinking, and even that, you can see how it's straight down, and the Poltergeist Beacon points back at the so-called moon. That this is bad juju. If I was to get any closer, the video might even be a little bit more blurry. So to the Frank Gaming Nation, that the Poltergeist Beacon is not our friend, and sign the petition to get it removed today.